Welcome back to Leeds Lens, everybody. The other day I stopped to take some pictures of this beautiful F82 M4, and I thought about how most people who have looked at these cars, the F80 or the F82, have probably looked at one with the DCT option. And when you look at the gear selector, there's no park. So how do you do so? Well, today we're gonna find out. Let's go ahead and hop in. Now, of course, the first thing we have to do is take a listen to it. Go ahead and put it in M2 mode to open up the valves. And this particular M4 has some aftermarket downpipes on it and VRSF intakes. Oh, that sounds sick. As I mentioned earlier, when you look at the gear selector on these DCTs, there is reverse, neutral, and drive, but there's no park. So what do? Well, what most people want to do is when you're done driving, they want to slap it over into neutral and hit the ignition button to turn it off. But you'll see that leaves it in neutral with this warning that comes up on the dash. Now, if you get out and walk away from your car like this, it's going to drain your battery and eventually it'll kill it. So what you want to do is either just hit the ignition a second time, put it in park, or the better option, in my opinion, is when you're done driving, just leave it in drive, rip the e-brake up for some extra security, and hit the ignition only then. That will put it straight into park, as you see.